Hi SutraPunks, welcome back. Hope you guys are awesome. This video is for those folks who are always hungry to learn more and want to dive deep into the concept of money and cryptocurrencies. We will be giving you our list of best books that you can read to level up your crypto game. So stick around and watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, then welcome aboard. My name is Digant Chadha and CoinSutra is a one-stop shop for all your crypto information needs. If this is something you are interested in, then click on subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Now, let's get started. The first book is Cryptocurrencies Simply Explained by Dr. Julian Hosp. This book is undoubtedly the best starting point for a beginner. The author, Dr. Julian Hosp, is a blockchain practitioner and has a knack for explaining complex things in a simple and straightforward manner. He covers all those basic terminologies that you would find difficult to understand. Further, the book is complemented by a helping workbook which makes things super easy for anybody to understand. You will be much wiser after reading this book. The second book on our list is Layered Money by Nick Bhatia. This book explains the hierarchy of money and uses it as a metaphor to show the role of Bitcoin in a networked financial system. It gives you an idea of how next generation monetary system based on the Bitcoin standard would look like. Most importantly, the author conveys his message realistically and stays away from any extreme predictions such as replacing existing system with Bitcoin. He believes in the integration of this digital asset into the existing financial world. Mark my words, you're gonna love this book. The third book on our list is The Basics of Bitcoins and Blockchains by Anthony Lewis. Most of the non-technical books about blockchain generally fail to clearly explain how the blockchain technology works. This book definitely solves that. The book does not leave any stone unturned while explaining the nuances of this technology. It takes you on a journey from the bottom to up, from the evolution of money to the invention of crypto and further to the future aspects of it. The book is helpful for both a beginner and a professional. Although there are many other good books that would advance your knowledge for crypto, these three books would give you the necessary kickstart you need to catch up with the industry. Now we can just stop here with our recommendation. But we don't just want you to build a skill and not use it in the real world. With the knowledge of this new asset class, you should also embrace the art of investing, which is nothing but a mindset. Therefore, the fourth book that we would like to recommend is Richer, Wiser and Happier by William Green. This is one of the best books you would come across related to investment. It dives deep into the habits, mindsets and routines of some of the great investors in the world, such as Monish Pabrai, Sir John Templeton, Nick Sleep, etc. The book will inspire you to step back and see the bigger picture and the purpose of one's existence. You can just copy-paste these mindsets to your life to make it more fulfilling and enriching. And the last book that we would recommend is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book should definitely be a part of your school curriculum. It is one of the best books to learn about personal finance. Morgan Housel is a former columnist at the Wall Street Journal, and in his book, he dives deep into how people think about money and investment. He spends a great deal of time explaining the most important element of personal finance, that is the human element. Textbooks apart, our mindset plays the most important role in building generations of wealth. I just wish I could have read this book earlier. I sincerely believe that these books will change your life for good. Let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.